As you're probably aware, the crypto market has started to boom again, and that leaves us lots of opportunities as traders. And I have got a very special gift of $100 for you today that you can go and try out on this brand new trading platform, Finteria.
Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research
before investing any money. So guys, let's dive into today's video. Here we are over on Finteria. Trade crypto, forex, CFDs, and earn up to 90% in 30 seconds. Is it too good to be true? Well, this is a slightly different type of trading from perhaps other trading that you've seen, and it's a very exciting opportunity indeed. It's a super easy to use platform that offers a number of different ways that you can trade. It's 24/7 non-stop trading because of crypto, whereas forex, etc. stops trading over the weekend. There's a minimum deposit of $10, which is affordable for everyone, but remember you can get a bonus up to $100 as well if you use that link down below in the description. And then there's a minimum trade size of $1 and then 100 trading assets. And if we come down below, it's super easy to start, guys. All you need to do is sign up, which you can do here, fund your account, and then trade and withdraw. So when you sign up, you just need to use the code 100cash in order to get your $100 cash. So once you've signed in, guys, you get the opportunity to either use a demo account, which I recommend doing first if you haven't traded before, and then you can upgrade to a live account. You then need to deposit $10, but if you use the promo code 100cash, then you will also get your $100 free bonus. So just to show you how it works, I'm just going to click on trade on demo account and give you a bit of an overview of what we can see right now. Now, this is the Bitcoin price. And you've probably seen Bitcoin being pretty erratic in the last few days. So perhaps you want to be careful about how you're kind of trading Bitcoin right now because there's a lot of things going on. But what it effectively does is you can see that it moves up and down, and then you have an expiration line. Now that expiration line is moving along because we are yet to put in a trade. But you can see there's trading pairs. So we click here, we can see Bitcoin. You can see that these are varieties, some of them crypto pairs. We've got like Doge, DOT, and then at the top you got forex pairs like Australian dollar CAD, Australian dollar CHF. Okay, so we've got like a variety of different things. So basically what we can then do is you can see where the amount is. We can then select either like $1, and you can see it's up to $10,000 right now. So we can see $1, $5, $20, whatever. Or we can just put in our own amount if we just write it in there. And then we can select the time. Now that means that when I press that button, it's got 30 seconds to expire under the current levels, or we could choose 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, all the way up to 3 hours. But let's just stick with 30 seconds to keep it interesting because obviously we haven't got a huge amount of time while filming this video. So once I place a trade, it's going to place, let's say $1, and the potential profit is 85%. If however it fails and reaches the line and I lose, then I lose that $1. Okay. All I am basically saying is when I click the button, I'm either going to say that it's going to finish at the line higher than when I'm pressing the button or lower than when I'm pressing the button. So what we can see right now, we're in some sort of an uptrend. So let's just say that we're going to anticipate it going higher in the next 30 seconds. And now you can see that green line is my expiration date. And I'm basically looking, okay, this is looking good. We've got 30 seconds left. We're going to anticipate that once it hits this line, that we are going to be above this line. If it's above this line and we get there, then I'm going to make $1.85. I make my 85 cents back on the dollar I put in. Okay, so you can see I have just won 85 cents and got my dollar back. Now my balance is $10,000.85. And this would work. So for example, if I put in, let's say $10, then my potential return would be $8.50. So now you can see we're in some sort of a lowering trend. We seem to be going a bit down on this. So we're going to anticipate by putting in a sell what's going to happen. But as you can see, Bitcoin's gone against us. So as you are probably realizing, guys, you need to be very cautious with how you use this. Don't go and overexpose yourself. It's definitely worth trying out a demo before you do anything else because you can potentially lose good amounts of money doing this very, very quickly. Personally, I also say that maybe using a 30-second account is very, very risky. I'd be looking to use higher time frames, doing your chart analysis, then you can come across and place your trades. As we go down and choose CHF JPY, this is a forex pair. And as you see, we can see it moving much slower. Also, this is important, what time of day you use this. For me, it's currently early morning in Asia. So JPY pairs will be moving because the Japanese markets are open, but forex pairs don't move quite as erratically outside of New York and London hours. And crypto, however, will be. So you've got to kind of like play it sensibly, what pairs and things you're going to use at what times, because they will all behave slightly differently. So why is Finteria your choice? Well, guaranteed withdrawals within 1 hour, very good to see. guided trading facilities with help from a lot of skilled advisors. You can trade over the weekends, more than 10,000 trades served every day, 24/7 support, 100% secure platform. And they also use a BitGo as a crypto custodian to guarantee your funds should you wish to withdraw any profits or anything that you have been making. So in summary, this is a very exciting and new way to trade using Finteria. Effectively, you can make profits of up to 90% in just 30 seconds, but obviously not without its risks. So always do your own research. If you use the link down below in the description and use the code 100cash, you'll get a free $100 to go and trade with on top of your $10 deposit. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button for me. And if you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about trading, NFTs, crypto, and much more, then hit subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye-bye.